Alright, just wrapped up a video and wrapped up lunch. You're probably wondering, well, did he bring it? I actually remembered my fire kit, but more importantly, I remembered the backup. So yeah, I did bring it. Ready to rock and roll. I just slid it right inside this bottom front pouch. I just tucked it down inside. Well, my hammock video's done. Lunch is cooked and eaten. All cleaned up. No trace but footprints. The ribbons were already here, so I'm going to I'm actually going to be moving a little ways because I saw a tree over there that's pine, so it may be fatwood. So I'm going to go check it. Even though I just got a big score of fatwood that I showed in my mail call. But it doesn't mean I have to harvest it all. I can just see if it's there. And I'd always know to come back for it. So it's already like 1:15 too, and I don't know how late I want to be out because I still have to go home and cook this week's cast iron cooking video, and I have to work tomorrow, so there's just never enough time in the day. Alrighty, so I just put a new battery in. I didn't think I'd film that much, but apparently I did. Content for days. So I got here is I brought my saw with me. Got the Riker folding saw. And I'll show you this. I got this down pine tree right here, because this is a big pine. And I'm got this one standing straight up. I'm going to hack it down and see if there's fatwood in there. Now, if there is, I'm going to probably take a chunk home, but if there's not, I may move on. You never want to turn down a resource. So, here's the saw, which I haven't really used since that first video, because I've just been so damn busy. Well, that's kind of a bummer. It doesn't really smell like it. I mean, it's definitely smells of pine, but I'm not really getting fatwood out of it. It should reek like turpentine. It doesn't smell anything like that. So she's a bust. Oh well, I had to look. You gotta sometimes you just gotta see. Fortunately, I had everything kind of right here on top, so there wasn't a ton of needed digging around. Alright. So get back on the trail again. Well, not even a trail, get back in the bushwhack. Alright, so no go for the fat one on that tree, but you know, looking around for a big pine tree here. Not sure where that open field is, but I'm kind of just skirting that field at this point. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks to be sort of a game trail here. So that's what we're going to follow. And I saw a house, the side of a house due straight ahead, so that's kind of where I'm going at this point. So the only thing I might do is get back to the paved trail and then weigh my options from there and then head back to the car or just figure out what I'm going to do from there. I don't think I'm going to make it down to Puget Sound today just because the review took a while. And then, you know, I also want to go home and relax, like I said. I don't want to spend my whole day working. It'd be a great place to set up a camp because you already got partial cover with the tree here. You'll cut a bunch of boughs and stack them on top of this and then just lay your shelter right there. Probably be a pretty good place to camp out. Alright, I knew if I'd kept going I would have ended up in the clearing, and I have. So you know, sometimes hauling this tripod around is a real pain in the ass. Gotta be honest. So, I knew I'd come out here at some point. Just came in from out of there. There's a fence here. Oh, but I see the paved trail, so. The end of a street. It'd be a nice trail if you had a bike. Oh. Okay, so there was a sign. Trespassing prohibited, no loitering. Violator subject to arrest or prosecution. Oops. See, I didn't see that sign at the other side. So, but I left no trace. So, I guess, oops. So there's where the trail continues, which I'm not going to do today. Alrighty, well, I think I'm going to head to the car. Gonna learn how to speak. I'm gonna head to the car, probably call it a day. A little spent. It's a good day though. You know, checked out the hammock, video coming. Did a meal, video coming. So actually I get 4 videos out of this today. I currently don't have one for Sunday. But I shot a short one, so I'll have that up. Literally I gotta go home and edit it and then have it up by midnight. But it's a nice day. Didn't rain like I thought it was going to. I can't believe that was private property. I'm going to have to check the other side to make sure that I didn't miss a sign. A little awkward if I had. Ew. But I don't remember seeing one posted, so. So kids, don't break the law. Don't be like I did. Alrighty. So we have literally gone full circle. This is where I came in at. So I may have been recording. I won't know until I see the footage. So we have warning, moving gate. Okay, that doesn't say no trespassing. Here's the fence line. There's 2 signs over there, but I didn't go that way. I actually just went over here. Actually, you know what? I didn't record this. I just walked in. So I actually didn't turn the camera on until I passed the gate. So let's see if I was wrong or not. There's this crummy sign here. Restricted area, unauthorized persons keep out. I did not see that. I totally missed it. Sorry, I wasn't filming that. Damn. I was a bad boy. Cause it cut in right here. There's no fence going that way. This came down and it stopped. Restricted area. Crap. Okay, I feel bad now. I did a no-no. I didn't do it intentionally though. It's not like I was, twirling my evil mustache going, ha 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 ha, F you, I'm going this way anyway. Nothing you can do about it. Old power pole. Well, alright, that was bad. Bad boy. Bad mark. On the other hand, I didn't see the sign. But also, I left nothing but footprints. I mean, I did cut that limb, but it was already dead, so I guess you could say I'm trying to justify it, but yeah, I just went and shot some videos. It's not like I was making fires. This sign here. Yeah, so there's that gate at the end. Trespassing prohibited. Well, awkward. It was a nice place to hang out too. Would definitely come back. Kind of curious what used to be here, because there's a keypad for some kind of security gate. Huh. I wish you can find out who owns it and get permission. Like, look, I just want to make videos. I respect the land, and I did. I will, not light fires. I might use a stove, but well, I guess what's done is done. Alright, well anyway, thought I'd share that. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. I think I already said that, but I'll say it again. Thank you, 1,000 times thank you. And I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, so what I did is I actually drove down to the, I drove down one more light. And I realized, oh wait, I was at the wrong trail. I should have been here at the Sequillet Chew Creek. This is where I was intending to come. This takes me down to the Sound. I totally screwed that up. I got the wrong trailhead. Oh, what a moron. See, I would have been right here. We're at the Civic Center. I would have hiked down, ended up at there's a Wilkes Observatory, original Nisqually Village says, storehouse. I was at the wrong area. I don't know what that other place was. I don't even see it. It's not on the map. That's funny. Okay, well, yeah, leave no trace. Yeah, I did. Left nothing but footprints. So I was at the wrong trail. That's too funny. Well, I'm laughing. I think it's kind of comical. I'm not gonna go walk the whole thing. I might I might just stretch my legs a little bit, even though I just got done hiking. But yeah, actually I've been to this trail before. Dave and I hiked it a long time, oh man, like probably 3 years ago. So this is actually where I was intending on going. So oops. Well, could have been worse. It's not like I was far from anybody. And it's one of those city parks, so I still had cell service, so it was all good. So would have taken me that way. Alright, well, I guess I'll just do this next time. I might come back and do this one, the one I actually wanted to go to. Well, whoops.